Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can use split screen and multi-windows on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, if you want to open apps in split screen mode, we can choose the app that you want to open in split screen. And for example, I'm going to choose Telegram. So just tap on Telegram app. Then we can tap on this recent button right here. And we can slide our screen. Then just tap on this Telegram icon right here until this option appear on your screen. Then just tap on open in split screen view. Then after that, we can choose the second app that we want to use in split screen view. And for me, I'm just going to tap on calendar app right here to open the calendar in split screen view. Alright, and now the apps has appeared in split screen mode. Alright, and if we want to use multi-windows view on Android, we can simply click on this recent button again, and we can slide our screen to find the application that we want to open in multi-windows mode. And for me, I'm just going to choose Telegram again. So just tap on this Telegram icon right here. Then we can click on open in pop-up view. Then we can tap on this recent button again and just select the application that you want to open in multiple windows. And I'm just going to choose this one, calculator. Just tap on it, then click on open in pop-up view. Alright, and I'm going to click on Telegram again. Then we can move this screen by clicking on this button right here, guys, like this. And for the calculator, I'm just going to move the calculator right here. Make sure that you tap and drag on this button, and you can minimize it. You just have to click on this button, then click on minimize right here if you want to minimize it. Alright guys, and that's how we can use split screen and multi-windows on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.